So, I kinda just arrived from the gym and I really need to tidy up my room. Just look at how it looks like. I'm overexposed, I think. Overexposed, much better. So look at how it looks like. That's the table where I normally do stuff. I do stuff on that table as well as do stuff on this table and do stuff on that kind of table, wardrobe, whatever you call that. And I kind of also need to find a way to fix these things. But I actually got something that should help me at least to hide the ply, because this is actually a risk hazard. Yeah, risk hazard, because somebody can come here and play with these things here, especially a kid. Not that I have really kids around, but I need to fix that. So let's get this room fixed. But we're going to start with that table over there. So yeah, let me place you guys to the side. And yeah, that should do it. Let me I just kinda remembered something before I actually continue fixing. This is an LED TFT LCD technology projector. I know one of you guys asked me, I don't know if you were being sarcastic because it says that it's an LED projector that is using an LCD technology, but I try and explain as best as I could that LED's base technology is LCD. So how can I put it? So to make an LED display, you start from an LCD. So that's the root of an LED. Actually, most displays or most projecting technology also works the same as the display. I think I'm actually mumbling, but you guys can go read the answer on the comment. So I featured this thing on the video that went on live, I think yesterday. You guys can go and watch it. But this is another one I wanted to show you guys. I'm also gonna have to pack this right away. So this is the package I wanted to show you guys. I got this package from Take A Lot not so long ago. I think I received it on Tuesday, and I actually haven't unboxed it. So let me just put these things quickly away, and we're going to open. Yeah, let's open this box. So let me find a way to place the camera down. So I switched. Am I still dark? Damn, why? Okay, I know I'm black, but I'm not that black. Okay, that will do. So as I was saying, I changed from that mic to this mic. That's the Rode mic that I normally use to vlog on top of the camera. So I changed to this one. This is the one that I'm normally using for unboxing these days. So where's my knife? Let's unbox that quickly. You guys are gonna see now what's in there, but of course I know what's in here because I'm the one who bought it anyway. So if you guys hear that noise, that's the smoke detector that I have. I have a Nest smoke detector in the kitchen. It's a smart smoke detector, so whenever they trying to burn the house, I will get that notification on the smoke detector, and something should pop here soon enough. Something should pop here soon enough that there's something burning in the kitchen, but I know there's nothing burning there. So let's actually do this. You guys might not seeing my face. Actually, you guys don't mind. So let's just, as I was saying, see, I got the smoke alert. Can you guys read? What does it say? I think it's too white. Yeah, anyways, that's them burning. Actually, I think we're gonna have to go buy something just in case actually there's a real fire. We might actually go and buy it in this vlog. I know I'm stalling. Let me open this. Oops. So this thing actually took a bit long to arrive because it was coming from Cape Town. That's normally when it takes around a week or a week and a half when things are coming from Cape Town. But whenever you buy from Take A Lot, yeah, they're still burning down the house. Whenever you buy from Take A Lot, things actually don't last that long. Is this recording? Yeah, things don't last that long if it's coming from wherever you are. So if you are in Johannesburg and it's coming from Johannesburg, obviously it's not going to take that long. I feel like I should maybe show my face. Okay, let's see what's inside. No, oh yeah, okay. So this is maybe that's the reason my room is always dirty, because I'm always throwing things around. Anyways, I'm about to tidy it up anyways. So okay, let's start with this one. This guy over here is a, I think if you guys, a while ago I unboxed one for a friend on my Instagram live. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you go, because I also unbox some stuff there. Some minor things that I think that are minor, like this. That's why I actually didn't do a specific video just for this, because I feel like this is a minor thing. So yeah, I unboxed one there, but I'm gonna show you guys this one here. So let's just get off the plastic side, and then I'll show you what's inside. If you didn't know, I have an Xbox, and Xboxes don't come with rechargeable battery. So this guy here should actually fix that problem. Hopefully there's also rechargeable battery in here, because I only see a dock. I might have just screwed myself up, but I think there's also rechargeable thing in here. So let's see. Okay, I have this guy here. This is literature. We don't read those things. We don't read. Here at Homekrafted, we don't use those things. We are kind of used to unboxing stuff, so we know exactly how to use whatever we unbox. So this guy here, I don't have my Xbox remote here. It's a bit far. I think it's in the kitchen, but you guys are gonna get the picture. This guy here goes behind the remote. Is it focused? Goes behind the remote, and it's rechargeable. And you can also place it on the dock, and it will charge from these two pins over here. I think I should actually use this lens more often. Look at the bokeh. The bokeh is how the black background is blurred. As you can see, my hand is blurred, and this thing is in focus. So I need to use this guy more often. I mean the lens. So this is for the remote. I have two remotes, so I have two of these guys here, and this is what comes on the box. And also on the box you have the actual dock. And I think that's it. Yeah, I put it there again. So this is a cable to charge the dock, or to plug the dock to power. You use a micro USB cable for that, and this is the dock itself. So whenever the remote needs charging, this guy is gonna be behind the remote. Let me get the remote is far. You guys, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take some pictures and put it on Instagram so you guys can see how it works well with this. So this guy, when it's on the remote, you're just gonna place the remote somewhere here. Is that the correct way? Yeah, you place it like that, and it should charge. So this is one of the items I got. This is the name. If you guys wanna go check it out, is this thing showing properly? It's called Spark Fox. Xbox One dual controller, charge station, and battery. I'm gonna put a link. I know I always forget to put links anyways. I'm gonna put a link, but if I forget to put a link, just remind me. I'm gonna put a link for you guys if you guys wanna check that out. And the other thing I saw is this power bank. Let me know if you guys want me to give this away, or one of these away. Not this specific one, but yeah, let me know if you guys want to give away. Actually, just leave a comment why you will need one, or why do you need one, or just leave any comment anyways, and I'll give you guys one of these power banks, the power banks only. So let's I'll probably do that in like 2 or 3 weeks times. Yeah, in 3 weeks times I'm gonna give it away, but I'm not gonna say in the description of the video that there's a giveaway in this video. So unless you've watched it, you will know. Obviously, if you are there, it's because you're watching it, then you know it. So let's open this one. Okay, there, and take it out. It's like just really simple unboxing. It's out. So this is the Mi power bank 210,000 milliamp. It's actually quite heavy for the size, and I like normally heavy things like this. You guys know we like wireless power banks in at Homekrafted. Homekrafted is my house, by the way. This is the Homekrafted HQ. So this is the 10,000. I like the build quality. This is better than any battery I own. Let me get one for me to compare quick. So this is the Romos battery, and this is the Mi Power Bank 2. It uses micro USB to charge, and it only has one charging output, so you can only charge one device at a time. And this button here is where you check the battery level that is left. And its build quality is good. I think it's made out of metal, if not aluminum, and it kind of feels good. I think this is gonna be my next favorite one. Yeah, it actually feels good. This is a Romos. For you to see the size, that is the size. Comparison with the iPhone. Is a bit smaller than the iPhone. Yeah, and that's it. This video is becoming too long. So yeah, this is the thing that I want to unbox. Now let's go back to cleaning the room. So I think this is it for today. Right now it's really windy. I'm at Builder's Warehouse. I'm gonna get inside and maybe shoot from inside. It's really windy out here. So at Builder's Warehouse, I came here to collect my curtains for the room. It's been, I think, actually since I painted it that I removed the old curtains, and I'm supposed to put new ones. So finally I go through to buying the new ones, and I just come and fetch. I might actually buy also something else. I think we need a fire extinguisher for the house, because we are using gas heaters, and you saw the situation in my room with the plugs, and I really don't I don't trust. That's huge. Yeah, I thought it was
It is. It's that one, right? The roller one.
So this is it. It's quite huge. Look at it. But hopefully I'm gonna be able to fit it by myself, or I might have to call somebody to come and help me. But I have my sisters at home, so I'm just gonna pick one of them to actually help me. Which one was it? Do I get it for free, or do I really still have to pay that 50%?
You still have to pay that 50%.
Taking you from your desk, but follow me. Which is not good. You're gonna get fired. Are they gonna fire you because of that? I'm looking for a fire extinguisher. I saw it. I think it was this side, yeah. This thing sell, eh?
It does.
I was here, I think, not so long ago, and I think it was full, all of them. Yeah. But I think I only need a small one. So this is the one we're gonna take today. So let's go pay, and yeah. So I just got the stuff. Now I have to go home and try to install this. I might just be lazy and not do it today, because I tend to be lazy, but I'm gonna see if I can just do it all at once so it doesn't sit there and gathers dust.